every document is important. And therefore, I don't know, I would urge that be given a leave.
It is very high pressure. We really can't extend our time. I think members, let us try and work within the legally provided. We have always gazetted the special sitting. Is the right to fair hearing? Yes. These are people who are filing their defenses, their statement. Chair, this you can discuss with the Speaker and the leadership. But the sitting starts with the matrix, so you can see the program and the timing and everything, even as we wind up. So
I want to assure Kenyans that this committee has membership which is competent, has membership whose integrity cannot be questioned, and we want to assure Kenyans that we are going to conduct this exercise with all fairness, and whatever resolution that this committee will come with will be free and fair to all parties.
I can confirm that I have not even spoken to Baba for the last several weeks, and I can assure you that he knows that he has a team that is able to work, that is able to make judgment without necessarily having to be called by him as to how we can discharge justice to this republic.
Ama ni kinyume cha sheria kwa mtu yoyote, mambo ambayo yako ndani ya Senate na yanakuwa yanaangaliwa, yanachunguzwa ili ukweli uweze kujulikana, itakuwa ni makosa sana kwa mtu kusema ya kwamba sisi tutakuwa kama muosho mmoja. Hiyo mimi nataka kusema na ikanusha kabisa ya kwamba hakuna kitu kama hicho.